Hi everyone, it's Michael Tiny Saul. It is Wednesday, May 18th at 7:30 p.m. And this is even more management of the stock trading watch list for the week of May 16th, 2011. So we had two stocks left on the list. The first one was ROST stores. First off, we took off the $1.30 on half, and then on Wednesday we got the $2 gain, so stops were moved to +1, and that was hit. You could see a nice reversal candle. This was taken out at 81.08 on the second half. So that's $1, and $1.30 is 230 divided by 2, which is 2 lots. That's a $1.15 average, just shy of 1 unit, because the original risk on this was $1.20. Okay, so it's a $1.15 average, just shy of 1 unit. And nice reversal. And once again, this goes back to what I talked about earlier in the week, about how I like to manage the moves after they've gotten the reward has equaled the risk. In this case, I mean, maybe ROST stores tanks on Thursday, but this to me looks like a nice reversal, and this actually looks bullish now. So, and I'm not justifying taking out the stop. The stop was taken out. That's it. If it dive bombed the end of the day, it would have been too bad. But to me, I don't really want to be short here. Okay, I mean, if that's just me. So this was a good takeout now, and if the stock goes higher, well, already protected the gains, which is important. And there are a lot of times, like I said, when it'll stop out and just go back the other way, and if I didn't put that management, I'd still be in it, and it'll be up a fortune, whatever. Those times are a lot rarer than people tend to believe, though. Okay, it's a lot of hype, not a lot of substance. All right, so just under 1 unit of gain there. And here's GGC. Okay, the stop was 29.26. That was hit as well. So half off plus $1.70 was already taken. And now another plus $1.70 was taken. So it's about 0.55 of a unit. Okay, 55, what is this, 55 tenths of a unit? No, that would be 5 tenths of a unit. 5.5 tenths of a unit, okay? See, I leave all my stupidity right on the video for everybody to see with the math. But that's what it is. It's 5.5 tenths of a unit. Now, why? Because the original risk was, I think, $1.60. So it was a little bit better than that. So between that and the ROST stores, I think it's about 1.5 units total, which is not bad for a couple of trades that had the risk locked, the risk taken away very quickly. I don't have any new stocks with triggers, but I have a couple of stocks that I want to look at and talk about. So if you'll bear with me and look at these, there are no official triggers on these. I can't really find anything that I'm comfortable with for the video, but that may change after tomorrow, and there may be some nice setups for Friday, so we'll see. But here's a couple of stocks I'm looking at. All right, first is Apple. Okay, now Apple has all these moving averages here. Look at the volume on this push. I mean, to me, this move looks a little lame. So I'll be watching this very carefully for resistance here. And the pin number at 345 could be in play as well, okay, because it is option expiration week. So just something to bear in mind. Cena, not acting very well with the market up nicely on Wednesday. Cena lost 1.3% here. And you have the 110 pin to look at here. That's why this almost made the list, but the size, the price amount of the risk, which once again doesn't matter. It all depends how you adjust your size, right? It's a unit is a unit is a unit. But what I don't like is I'm only looking for maybe a couple points here, and I'm going to be risking, let's see, over 5 points here. So you're looking at over 5 points here to what? Maybe make 250. I mean, it just doesn't make any sense. That's cowboy stuff, and I prefer to avoid that. All right, RIM. Okay, RIM had the gap up, but look how it tagged the support we were watching in the viewer requests. Right, came a couple of cents shy of that. But to me, this stock, in my opinion, looks broken. I think this is going to go lower. But right here, once again, look at the size of this gap here. I'm turn tail and fill the gap, or kind of keep going and tag this 20 EMA, right? You got the 45 number. That could be a pin. You want to watch that as well. And then finally, Mosaic Company. Okay, I think this one is going to set up to be a nice short opportunity, but they may want to keep this right at or under 70. Plus, you have the 200-day moving average that was freshly broken. I'd like to see a retracement to that and a reversal, and that's what I want to base an entry off of. So no new triggers, but I thought I'd give you a look at a couple of stocks to watch for potential option expiration week hijinks and see what they do there. And that's it. I'll talk to everybody again tomorrow. Have a great trading day on Thursday.